Hello guys, I am Engineer Muhammad Adnan Khan and you are watching my YouTube channel Being Engineer. Today I am here with a new and important video about MCQs for engineers and sub-engineers. These MCQs are taken from the test conducted by KPPSC for the position of SDO, Subdivisional Officer and Assistant Engineers of different departments. This test was conducted on 7th of July 2022. So I am here with total 45 MCQs with answer keys. You are requested to please watch the complete video to know about the answers of these MCQs, which will definitely help you out in upcoming competitive exams for the post of engineers and sub-engineers. So let's get started. The first MCQs was internal resistance offered per unit area by the body on which forces of deformation act is called option A stress, option B strain, option C resistance and option D was friction. So the right answer for this MCQ is option A stress. So stress is the internal resistance offered per unit area by the body on which forces of deformation act. The second one is under external loads the stress is developed in the body due to option A heating of particles, option B deformation of particles, option C expansion of particles, option D contraction of particles. So the right answer is option B deformation of particles. Under external loads the stress is developed in the body due to deformation of particles. The option B is the correct answer. Third one is which of the following is descriptive of maximum and minimum normal stress? Option A shape of stress element, orientation of stress element, option C location of stress element and option D size of stress element. The right answer is option B orientation of stress element. Number 4 the point of interaction of bending axis and the plane of transverse section of a beam is called center of gravity, option B centroid, option C shear center, option D point of control of flexure. The right answer is option C shear center. Shear center is the point of interaction of bending axis and the plane of transverse section of a beam. The fifth one is if the value of Young's modulus of elasticity of a material is 0, it implies that material is option A highly elastic, option B plastic, option C viscoelastic, D incompressible. The right answer is plastic. If the value of a Young modulus of any object is 0, then it implies that material is plastic. Option B is the right answer. If the penetration grade of bitumen sample comes out to be 80, it means the depth of penetration of the needle into sample was option A 8, option B 10, option C 80, option D 0.8. The right answer is 8. It is the multiple of 10. As you can see over here, if the penetration grade of bitumen sample comes out to be 80, it means the depth of penetration was 8 millimeters. Number 7. If we double the load on pavement, the damaging effect will increase by 2 times, 4 times, 16 times or 32 times. The right answer is option C 16 times. Standard axle load has a value of approximately option A 7 tons, option B 8 tons, option C 18 tons, option D 80 tons. The right answer is option B 8 tons. The standard axle load has a value of approximately 8 tons. The portion of road surface that is used by the vehicular traffic is known as carriageway, shoulder, expressway, all of these. The right answer is option A carriageway. Quicksand condition occurs in option A fine sand, option B coarse sand, option C clay or gravel. The right answer is option A fine sand. Quick condition occurs in fine sand. Lateral earth pressure acting at bridge abutment is passive pressure, at rest pressure, active pressure, or no pressure acting on wall? The right answer is option B, at rest pressure. For design of foundation, we need which bearing capacity? We need dash bearing capacity. It is gross capacity, net allowable capacity, or ultimate capacity. The right answer is net allowable capacity. For design of foundation, we need net allowable capacity. With the decrease of moisture content, a plastic soil changes from soft to dense, hard to soft, soft to hard, or dense to loose. The right answer is option C, soft to hard. When the decrease of moisture content occurs, a plastic soil changes from soft to hard. Option C is the right answer. Grape graded soil is also called as uniformly graded, poorly graded, well graded, or sandy soil. The right answer is option B, poorly graded. Maximum possible value of relative compaction is 90%, 95%, 100%, or greater than 100%. The right answer is option D, greater than 100%. Slaking phenomena is associated with option A, gravel, sand, silt, or clay. The right answer is D. Slaking phenomena is associated with clay. The principle of continuity is based on option A, law of conservation of energy, option B, law of conservation of momentum, option C, law of conservation of mass, option D, all of these. So the right answer is law of conservation of mass. The principle of continuity is based on law of conservation of mass. Number 18. A flow in which the velocities of liquid particles at all sections of pipe are equal is called as uniform flow, streamline flow, steady flow, or compressible flow. The right answer is uniform flow. In uniform flow, the velocities of liquid particles at all sections of pipe are equal. The right answer is option A. 19. A discharge over a rectangular weir is directly proportional to h, inversely proportional to h, directly proportional to L. Option D, both A and C. The right answer is both A and C. The option D. That is, a discharge over rectangular weir is directly proportional to h and L. The right option is option D. The hydraulic jump occurs during the flow type of critical flow, shooting flow, streaming flow, any type of flow. The right answer is shooting flow. The hydraulic jump occurs during shooting flow. 21. The water wheel runs by weight of water, impulse of water, neither A nor B. Option D, both A and B. The right answer is option B, impulse of water. The water wheels runs by impulse of water. 22. The behaviors of concrete under instantaneous load is A, elastic, option B, plastic, C, inelastic, D, viscoelastic. The right answer is B, plastic. The behaviors of concrete under instantaneous load is plastic. That's all for today. In the upcoming video, I will discuss the remaining 23 MCQs of this test that was conducted on 7th of June 2022. So, to watch those videos, you are requested to please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get videos on time.